Action and linking verbs. Learning goals. Students can understand commonly used sentence patterns and can listen to and understand action verbs versus linking verbs in sentences. Topic sentences. When reading this lesson, consider the following key words. 1. An action verb is a word that describes an action. 2. A linking verb is a word that links the subject with something that describes it. Making a prediction. Based on the topic sentences, what type of verb is the underlined word? Veronica kicked the ball very hard. A. An action verb. B. A linking verb. C. Both an action verb and a linking verb. D. None of the above. The answer is A. Good afternoon, class. We are going to dive into a new topic, action verbs and linking verbs. Our definition of a verb is a word that describes an action, state, or occurrence. Words like run, eats, grow, and is represent different verbs in different forms. Action verbs are more straightforward. They're always used to describe an action. The words jump, break, and kick are all action verbs. An example of this type of verb in a sentence is as follows. Jonathan ate cake for breakfast every day this week. Here, Jonathan is the subject, ate is the verb, and cake is the direct object. Now, what about linking verbs? The implications for these words are different. These words, also called helping verbs, have a unique function. These words do not show any action. Instead, they link the subject with the rest of the sentence. The most frequently used linking verb is to be, such as in the following sentence. He is a police officer. The linking verb, to be, links the subject to something that describes it. Here is another example using a different linking verb. She became a police officer. There are 3 verbs that are always linking verbs, and they are to be, to become, and to seem. However, many other verbs could be both action and linking verbs. Take these sentences for example. 1. The noodles taste plain today. 2. I tasted the noodles and they were delicious. In these 2 sentences, which is the action verb and which is the linking verb? In sentence 1, the speaker uses the word taste to connect the subject to plain. If we replaced taste with a to be verb, are, the meaning would be similar. Therefore, it is a linking verb. What about sentence number 2? The narrator is telling us something he did. He tasted the noodles. Since tasted in this context denotes action, this is an action verb. It can be hard to comprehend at first, but keep studying these two different verbs, and you will be an expert. Please review the key words to expand your vocabulary. Occurrence, straightforward, implications, narrator, denotes, comprehend. Cultural note. 1. How do native English speakers learn the difference between these verbs? Answer. There is a song to the tune of Jingle Bells that many students know that lists all of the linking verbs.